Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update. So you guys are going to hear my hubby in the background because he's playing the game right now. But if you guys remember me sharing this 3-day nail aid keratin 3-day growth with you guys, I just want to update you guys on it. So I had to try it a couple of times because I would forget. I did just take glue on nails off of my nails, and I didn't manicure them at all. I won't have time to do my nails for the next 2 or 3 days because usually what I do is I edit my videos. I try to get that out the way so I know I'm not going to have time to do them for a couple days. So after I took the glue off nails on, I put a coat of the nail aid on them. But I wanted to show you guys what they look like from me using it. I'm going to say 3 to 4 days straight. So you can see I do have some length on my nails. They're by far nowhere long, but usually they're not even this long. They're like all the way down. This one broke, so it's a little sideways. But they are growing, I can tell. I don't know if you guys can see, like this one's even getting longer, but they're usually much, much shorter than this. They're like probably where this pinky is. The pinky, this one broke. It was a little longer, but they're usually this short, if not shorter. So I do have some growth. And like I say, it's been about 3-4 days that I put it on. But I've also been using this garlic strengthener as well. By Ruby Kisses that I got from my local beauty supply. It's a strengthener, and most of the time I just do 1 coat of this. So what I do is put on 1 coat of this first onto my nails directly. When that dries, I put this on. I think this you're supposed to do 2 coats. Yeah, you apply 2 coats. So 2 coats of this, 1 coat of this after this dries. And yeah, so it is helping. So I feel that if I can, I'm not very good at doing things like every day. I forget. So I'm pretty sure if I was to do it every day, I would see some really great growth from just this alone. I think that this is maybe helping because it's a strengthener. When my nails grow long, they get very thin and bend and they break. That's why y'all never see me with, long nails, because they do grow. They grow long, and I can grow them out pretty quick if I'm wearing like acrylics and stuff like that. But they break so fast. Like they may last me 2 days if they're long, and then it's a wrap. They're back short again. But so far they're doing pretty good. So yeah, I ordered this on Amazon. Gosh, y'all have to look back at the original video. I can't remember how much I paid. I think I may have left a link, but they went up on it since I ordered it. It's not as cheap as it was when I found it, but you can find this at Walmart. And then, like I said, this I picked up at my local beauty supply store. You guys have one in your area, you should be able to find this at Ruby Kisses. And yeah, y'all, that's it.